Auzu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh to all my Excel Learners Academy students and those people they are watching me right now. My name is Farid Safi and right now I'm here with another video lecture. The topic we have selected today, that is past continuous tense. We want to talk about past continuous tense. What I mean by past continuous tense mean that those actions, they were in progress or they were in continuation when in the past. For example, if I say those actions, they were in progress. This is very important. Actions, they were in progress. Progress means continuation. They were in progress. Jari. When in the past, this is important. Action that was in progress, when it was in progress in the past. For example, something yesterday at this time, what I was doing. I was sleeping. So that action was in continuation. The sleeping action was in continuation. When it was in continuation in the past. Whenever you want to talk about those actions, those activities that are in progress, when they were in progress in the past. So we use which tense? Past continuous tense in that case. Let me put here the structure for past continuous tense. First of all, we use subject. After subject, we will use be verb. But in be verb, we need to use, because we are talking about the past tense, we will have to use past be verb, not present. Present be verb we have SMR, that is used in present continuous. But past be verbs we have got two, that is was and the next one we have, that is were. Subject, after subject we need to use was or were according to the subject. If the subject is singular, we need to put was. If the subject is plural, we will put that of were. After this, we have to go with that of verb. What type of verb? Verb plus ing. And verb plus ing we call in grammar present participle form of the verb. This is what the structure for past continuous tense. Let me make some of the examples. For example, if I want to say I was sleeping. I was sleeping yesterday, for example. Now, in this case, I was sleeping yesterday. What does it show? It shows my continuation action, the action that was in progress. When it was in progress in the past. So I'm using, first of all, was with sleeping. Subject was with verb plus ing. We were playing cricket. Why am I putting here were? We were. Why? Because the subject is plural. We were playing. Play, ing. We were playing. What we were playing? We were playing cricket yesterday. So this action was again in progress. When it was in progress in the past. So the next case, you can also use case number. This is another case. You can use past continuous tense at a time when one action was in progress. When one action was in progress, one action was in continuation when another action happened. So I can simply say action into action. Action into action. Action into action. Like we want to talk about two actions together. At the same time, when one action was in progress, this case is used a lot in our daily conversation. So we need to understand how we can connect two actions together. When one action was in progress in the past, when another action, it happened. In this case, it would be the structure we want to put it here. First of all, we will use past continuous tense plus we will put here when. After when, we will use simple past tense. if you don't understand simple past tense, we do have our lectures. You can watch that on our YouTube channel, simple past tense, and you can directly come to know what simple past tense it is. Past continuous, we will connect two actions, one action with another action with the help of what? With the help of conjunction when. For example, one, as I said, action and to action. One action was in progress. When an action was in progress in the past, we use which tense? We use past continuous tense. For example, if I say I was sleeping. I was sleeping. This is my past continuous tense. Why is it past continuous? Because this action was in progress in the past. Then I will put when, and I want to connect this action with another action that action happened. But I'm supposed to use which tense? Simple past tense in that case. I can say I was sleeping when Ali called me. I was sleeping when Ali called me. Now I connected one action with another action, and this action is past continuous tense, and this action is simple past tense. I was sleeping when Ali called me. Two actions. Number one action, we will use that action in continuous one that was in progress in the past, and an action that happened second. An action that happened second, we use that of simple past tense in that case. Remember that we use conjunction when before simple past tense, not before present past continuous tense. You can use the same sentence in this case as well. You can also say, for example, Ali called me. Ali called me. Now I put simple past tense in the beginning. Ali called me. Now in this case, I cannot use the conjunction when. Why? Because as I said, when is used before simple past tense. But I brought simple past in the beginning. Before past continuous tense, we use while. I will put here while. And after while, I'm supposed to use past continuous tense. I will say, I was sleeping. Now, we have used conjunction while in this case. Ali called me while I was sleeping. In the first one, I was sleeping when Ali called me. Remember these two conjunctions. To connect one action with another, we use while before that of an action that was in progress in the past continuous, and we use when before simple past tense as well. There is another case, the third case as well for this, that of your past continuous tense. Let's talk about that as well. This situation can also happen. That another case we want to talk about, that action with action, like two actions were in progress in the past. In this case, we study one action was in progress in the past when another action happened. But in this case, that now with another case we want to move, past continuous can also be used for two progressive actions. When two actions are happening simultaneously at the same time, both together. So we will be using this formula for that, past continuous tense plus. We will use while only. In this case, we only use while, not when. Why? Because we do not have simple past tense. So to connect two past continuous tenses, simply we will be using conjunction while. And after this, again, we will use past continuous tense. Two tenses we want to connect together. Because at the same time in the past, at the same time, two actions were in the progress. For example, I was teaching. Suppose if I say, I was teaching. I was teaching, past continuous tense, while, now again I want to put past continuous tense because two actions are happening at the same time. While students were listening. While students were listening. This is past continuous tense. Again, we have got past continuous tense, so we use conjunction while in the middle. In the middle to connect that of two clauses together, we use conjunction while in this case. So it was all about past continuous tense. I hope you enjoyed the video and you have learned something. So if you want to watch and you want to receive more videos from us, you may subscribe our YouTube channel. See you inshallah next time with another video lecture as well. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.